Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 10th mathematics, that is real numbers. So here I have some new questions for you today. Question number first is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter and 4 meter 50 centimeter. So these are the length, breadth and height respectively. Okay. So determine the longest rod which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. Means the three dimensions of the room has been given to you, means the length, breadth and the height has been given to you. So now you have to find a rod. So how much long rod you would take so that it can measure all the three distances exactly. Okay, so what did you do? You would find out the HCF of all these three dimensions, means 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter, 4 meter 50 centimeter. You are going to find out the HCF. So before finding out, let me change the unit first. So what is the length here? If I write down length is 8 meter 25 centimeter. So I can write it 825 centimeter, because in 1 meter 100 centimeter, so it would be 825 centimeter. So this is the length. Similarly, the breadth is how much? 675 centimeter and height is 450 centimeter. So now you have the three dimension: 825, 675 and 450. So what would you do? So hence you are to find out, hence the length of the longest rod would be the HCF of this and this. So what do? You are to find out the HCF of 825, 675 and 450. As you are knowing how to find out the HCF using Euclidean division algorithm, just find out, first divide this 675 by 450, then whatever the answer coming, that again would divide this 825. You are to get your answer. Okay, and the answer would be, the HCF of these three number is how much? The answer that you are getting, it should be 75. Okay, so this would be the answer. Can you do it? Okay, you have to do it on your own. Okay, just note it down and start doing. So here's the next question before you. Question is, 105 goats, 140 donkeys and 175 cows have to be taken across a river. You have a river here. So across a river you have to take these animals. 105 goats are there, 140 donkeys are there, 175 cows are here, and these are to be taken across the river. Okay, and there is only one boat which will have to make many trips. Now you have a boat, and with the help of that one boat you have to carry all these animals, okay, across the river. Okay, now next is what? The lazy boatman has his own condition. Now he do not want to carry all these animals together, because he has his own condition. So what is the condition for transporting them? Condition is what? He insists that he will take the same number of animals in every trip. So in every trip, let's say right now he is having one trip. So in one trip, the animals that he is carrying, let's say he is carrying 50 animals. So in the next trip also he is carrying 50 animals. Okay, so he would be carrying the same number of animals in every trip. Are you getting? So naturally he will like to take the same largest possible number of each time, because if he is taking the lesser number, so he would have to make many trips for that. So that is why he would be taking the largest number, so that he could carry in one trip. Same number he will carry in the another trip also. Yes or not? Yes. So you have to find out, can you tell how many animals went in each trip? Now one more condition is there, and they have to be of the same kind. Remember this condition. Remember, just look at the condition. He insists that he will take the same number of animals in every trip. Means in every trip he will take the same number of animals. Let's say right now he is carrying 50 animals, so in the next trip also he also want to carry 50 animals again in the next trip. Then again in the next trip 50 more animals would be there. But what is the next condition? Condition is they have to be of the same kind. Same kind means, right now let's say he is carrying goats, so all should be the 50 out of 50 would be the goats then. Okay, now let's say in the next category he is carrying 140 donkeys. Are you getting it? So let's say 50, all out of 50 should be donkeys there. Let's say in the next trip he is carrying 170, he is carrying cows. Okay, so all the cows should be of the same kind, means all the animals should be of the same kind. Are you getting it or not? Just read the condition once again. Condition is he has to carry all the animals, and in each trip he will carry same number of animals, and all the animals should be of the same kind. Let's say right now he is carrying goats. 50 out of 50 should be the goats. Then let's say in the next time now he is carrying donkeys. So 50 donkeys he would carry. Then out of 50 should be donkeys. Let's say now in the next category he is carrying cows. So 50 out of 50 should be cows. So all animals should be of the same kind. Okay, so you have to find out, can you tell how many animals went in each trip? So in each trip, how many animals would be there? So you have to find out the largest possible number. So what do? You would find out the HCF of 105, 140 and 175. Okay, so answer would be largest possible number of animals in each trip. You would be writing answer, largest possible number of animals in each trip would be HCF of what 105, 140 and 175. You have to find out HCF of these three numbers. You are knowing how to find out, just find out the HCF, you will get your answer. Okay, just do it right now. Now this is the next question. Question is 15 pastries and 12 biscuits packets 15 pastries and 12 biscuit packets have been donated for a school fete. Okay, means some festival kind of. These are to be packed in several small identical boxes with the same number of pastries and biscuit packets in each. So how many biscuit packets and how many pastries will each box contain? Means you have 15 pastries and 12 biscuit packets, and you have to make small identical boxes, and in those boxes you have to pack these 15 pastries and 12 biscuits in equal number. Let's say in first box you have 4 pastries and 3 biscuits. So in another box also you should be having 4 pastries and 3 biscuit packet. Then in another box, means all should be same there. So he's asking how many biscuit packets and how many pastries will each box contain. So in each box, in every box, how many pastries and how many biscuits will be there. So first we have to find out how many boxes are there. So let's find out how many boxes are there. So we have to pack these items, mean 15 pastries and 12 biscuit packets. Okay, so how many boxes how many boxes would be there? So sure, you have to find out the HCF of 12 and 15. So for finding out number of boxes would be HCF of 15 and 12. So can you tell me the HCF of 15 and 12 just by the method of Euclid division algorithm? So answer would be 3. Simple it is. So you have 3 boxes now. So in 3 boxes you have to pack 15 pastries and 12 biscuits. So how many pastries will be there in each box and how many biscuit packets will be there in each box, that you have to find out. So number of pastries in each box. Can you tell me how many pastries would be there? Because as the pastries are 15, you have 3 boxes, so number of pastries will be 5. So in each box you would have 5 pastries. 5 pastries you would have in the first box, then 5 in the second, 5 in the third one. So in each box you would have 5 pastries. And then how many biscuit packets will each box contain? So then you have to find out number of biscuit packets. So these are 12 in number, divided by 3, you are getting 4. So 4 biscuit packets would be there in each box. So in every box there would be 5 pastries, 4 biscuit packets. In this one also 5 pastries, 4 biscuit packets. In this one also 5 pastries, 4 biscuit packets. So this is how you would divide this. Okay, so just note it down. So this is all for today. Now would be discussing some more questions of this chapter in the upcoming lectures. I think one or two more videos will be there. So after that we are going to conclude this chapter. Okay, then stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you, have a good day.